Sitting in a little cage, little birds will sing, piecing all the day by days and all their melodies. They live in all their melodies, singing da 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 da. Doorways open, hanging there, all that window bring. Now it's flying, now it's scared, 'cause it cares about little things. We all love them little things. Yeah, we love them little things. Them been going, yeah, yeah. That wall. When you're walking with a broken wing, well, it's hard to sing at all. No, it doesn't sing at all. No, it doesn't sing at all. It just says, say you love me, and then say you love me again. Say you love me again. I will say you love me, and then say you love me again. Say you love me again. Why? Because there's peace in the silence, the silence, the silence. Peace in the silence, the silence is fine. Peace in the silence, the silence, the silence. Peace in the silence, the silence is mine. It's the light of pain. 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 Inside, and you're trying to go down to low town with them sunken eyes. Get over sickness and do what the king says. The reason you better well try. It's the reason you better well try. It's the reason you better well try. Rocks and under rain, walk that whole world long. Well, it's found its place and found its pain, and it found again that song. Yeah, it found again that song. Yeah, it found again that song.